this well. Bless your heart. Oh, there it is. Because I'm guessing this is going to go on our sandwiches. All right, may I hand this to you, my dear? Thank you. Oh, and we need to take it off the pasta too, right? There we go. Perfect. All right. It is cooking time, and it's Temp-tations cookware time. And this is their 5.9 quart covered casserole with a glass lid. Oven safe to 350 degrees. You can also use it on any cooktop, including induction. Marvelous nonstick on the inside, that gorgeous ombre pattern on the side. This is beautiful cookware, and it's available at a clearance price. Now, we're down to final quantities. We can't get a reorder on this, so what we're going to do is bring you a top shelf item at a rock bottom price. This is Temp-tations all day long, and you've got the beautiful Temp-tations pattern in the finial handle of the lid, as well as printed on the glass. These are beautiful. Let's welcome in Tara Tescher, who is the designer and CEO of the company, and she is bringing us really great cookware opportunity. She's joining us live via Skype. Hi, Tara.
Hey, David. I have to say, when I was putting this piece together, this has everything that I could dream of, right? Nice capacity here, just under 6 quarts. Helper handles here on the side. It's aluminum. For me, that was important because I don't want it to be super heavy, right? When you're thinking about 6 quarts of mac and cheese or soup, that's going to add a lot of weight to it. But because this is aluminum, it's nice and lightweight. Then we go inside that beautiful baker as well, and it's got 2 coats of a non-stick on the inside. It's got an encapsulated bottom, which you were saying works on anything, including induction. And what that does is actually forces the heat up 360 degrees around this beautiful baker. And what's nice about that is that, again, you get that great even heating on the stovetop. Put that tempered glass lid on here. Now you can braise on that stovetop and put it right in the oven. It's everything you've loved from great high performance cookware, now done in our coordinated colors. And we partnered with one of the best cookware manufacturers to bring you this piece.
Hey, Tara, not a lot of these to go around, so why don't we go through colors right quick?
Let's do it.
And we'll talk to you about color choices, I believe, on QVC.com. So we're going to talk to you about the black, 270 in that black. And I also have it for you in blue. How many? 70 in the blue. That somebody called that Carolina blue. I know I would. In the red in the is 200 left. Then I have for you the cream, 120. Eggplant, 100 remaining. And finally the teal, 125. Hey, Tara, it is chilly outside, so why don't we have some chili inside?
I love that idea. You get the chili and I've got the mac and cheese.
Woo! I can't decide which one I want more.
Amazing.
I know, right?
Yeah.
And then we hit this with some cheese. Who am I kidding? A lot of cheese. And then there's also sour cream and jalapeno.
Of course.
I mean, this is strong and durable enough to fry in. Look what we're doing here. We're frying chicken in this. This is, and look how golden brown delicious.
That's what I was just going to say. You're getting that even heating. That's when I was talking about that encapsulated bottom that you see there, pushing the heat up 360 degrees around this beautiful piece of cookware. And what's nice about it is that aluminum. So it's a nice lightweight. Look what we did here. We have a mac and cheese here that I started by sauteing a little onion and a little garlic, and then I moved it right into the oven. Look at this, 6 quarts just about of beautiful mac and cheese. And notice everything you love from Temp-tations. And this is 10 pounds of mac and cheese, by the by. Everything you love, that natural nonstick, that beautiful baker that you'd want to bring right to the table. 10 pounds, David, coming your way.
10 pounds of mac and cheese. Oh, my word.
Look at that.
Hey, I will do you
delicious.
one better. How do you feel about taco lasagna bake?
Yes, please, every day of the week. Forget Taco Tuesday. I'll take it any day.
I mean, let's not limit tacos to Tuesday. Who made that up? Who made that rule? I don't know. And this is layered not with lasagna noodles, but with tortillas. You want to make that low carb? Use wheat tortilla wraps. And you've got something great. You can really make a delicious and delightful, that probably has taco seasoning in it and lots of cheese and lots of yummies. So don't miss out on any of this. We're getting very busy on our phone lines. Lots and lots of you are looking for that beautiful pot that will work on our stovetop or go right into the oven. Remember, you could do braised short ribs in this. You could do a pot roast in this. You could do a roast chicken in this. All that works out really nicely. What have I here? It looks like soup of some kind.
I have chicken noodle soup.
Is this soup?
Do you have a little, is that some French onion? What is that?
It's shrimp and veggie soup.
Oh, that's right. Shrimp and veggie. I think it's shrimp and asparagus, which is so perfect, right? I love, this is like the perfect soup pan. It's the perfect chili pan. It's the perfect mac and cheese pan. Everything that you need under 6 quart capacity, and all of that performance you expect from, of course, your cookware. You're going to want to hand wash this like you would all of your fine cookware. But the fact that it's got 2 layers of nonstick on the inside, helper handles, a tempered glass lid, can go in the oven up to 350 degrees, which is fantastic. So you can finish off most of your dishes that need to be slow roasted, like pork, as an example. We'll take that heat and keep it and hold that heat throughout your meal, which is fantastic too.
Ooh,
oh, yum! That
how
looks
about
amazing.
a shaved beef sandwich with
Okay.
caramelized onions, lots of beautiful shaved beef, and then I'm going to top it with provolone cheese. What? Yeah. Not even kidding. And then I'm going to clap a lid on that. And that is some deliciousness right there. Who's ready for a beef sandwich with provolone?
And that is one dish cooking that looks absolutely amazing. And the heat hugs your food again because you have that high performance. And look what we were able to do here, David. We're able to do a bread pudding that literally just turns right out. Look how beautiful. So now baking in this piece as well. If you think about like your high performance cookware, are you necessarily thinking about baking? Not necessarily, but here, look at this beautiful bread pudding. It's going to put a little glaze around it. So mac and cheese, bread puddings, braised short ribs, taking it from the stovetop right to the oven or induction, right? All works on all surfaces, which is fantastic. Like I said, when I designed this, there were a few things that it had to have. A nice capacity, had to have helper handles. It had to be able to go back in the oven. I wanted a cook and look see-through lid so you could see what you were doing. And it had to be beautiful, of course, coordinating back with all of our gorgeous colors.
And if you're cooking meatballs and peppers with some sausage, wouldn't that be a nice sandwich as well? Look at how evenly the heat is distributed because it's bubbling all the way around. We are very, very busy with this item, and I would encourage you to pick yours up. Now let me turn the stove off because he's getting a little crazy over here. Hey,
yeah, this is a no reorder situation.
No
Sorry about
reorder
that.
on this. This is clearance pricing, and here are the color choices. What we have for you is the teal. Actually, we'll start with the black. The black, the blue. I have 50 left in the blue. Here's red. Fewer than 100. Don't wait on that one. I also have it in cream, eggplant, and the teal. Tara Tesher, you're coming back with, I believe, 2 more items, yes?
2 more items. I'm looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it. Stay close to us, my darling. In the
I will.
meantime, Rosina's going to remind us of some of those goodies that are coming up.
Exactly. Well,